Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to verify Klarna account. Verifying your account on Klarna is usually pretty quick, although the app does not have that we need to make sure you're a real human and not a raccoon with a credit card energy. When I did it, I opened the Klarna app, logged into my account, and headed straight to the account section in the bottom right corner where most of the verification prompts show up. Sometimes, Klarna automatically verifies you using the information you already entered during signup, but in a lot of cases, it asks for additional identity checks, sign up before unlocking everything. That normally means uploading a clear government issued ID and occasionally taking a selfie so the app can compare your face with the ID photo. The biggest thing is making sure your photos are clear, uncropped, and taken in a decent lighting because blurry uploads tend to delay the process fast. After submitting everything, the review is usually completed within a few minutes, although sometimes it can take longer if the system needs manual review. Once approved, your account verification updates automatically, and you can continue using Klarna normally without the extra prompts popping up later. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.